Have you seen this new Facebook update? You can add your avatar into a cover photo, and Facebook has all these cool backgrounds and poses you can use, and today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do it. My name is Stephanie Parisi, and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online using marketing strategies that actually work. And I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack. Let's jump right into the tutorial.
All right, so we are going to open up Facebook, and then you're going to go to your profile. So you can get there a couple ways, but you can click the button if you have it on your feed in the bottom where it says profile. And you're going to see this demo going on right now with the new avatar photo cover option, and it's so much fun. So there you can see the cover photo that I have right now. I'm going to show you how to update this if you want to use one of the new profile cover photos with your avatar. Okay, so you are going to click this little blue button that has the avatar face in the center. You can see it highlighted there on the right hand side, and I click that, and then this pops up. So you have different poses that you can use for your avatar, and if you click on them, you can see right now this blue one is selected, so that's the girl, but I could use any of these different poses. Now, Facebook has it set up so your avatar is, you can't change the clothes or the style of your avatar in this video. If you need instructions on how to do that, go ahead and check out this video. I also have some other avatar videos, tutorials to show you how to use your avatar in stories and other ways that I use my avatar when it comes to my business. But enough of that. So you can see all these fun different poses. And then the cool thing is as I scroll here, you can see some of the different backgrounds. Okay, some of them are kind of weird. Like, I don't know if anyone's really going to love that one, although you might get someone's attention by doing it. But you do definitely have some cool options. Like if you're celebrating Pride, or this love one, I think is pretty cool. So by selecting it, all you do is just push on the background picture. They also have some cool scenes, like a city view or a country view. Now, depending on the scene, I think some of the poses look better. So for instance, if I do this love one, I'm going to go back and do a pose where it has me right on the side pointing to the love, like that. Or you could also do one like that again is near it, which is kind of fun. And then if I wanted to do one of the background scenes, like say I'm in the country and outdoors and I want to do one that's more fun, I could do a pose like that. So you pick your pose and then you pick your background and you have it set. And then all you're going to do next is click the upper right hand corner where it says continue, and then here you can see that it's saying, hey, this is your new cover photo. You can change it anytime. You can click this button here down at the bottom that says if you want it to share to your feed that you're changing it or not, and then all you are going to do is click this save button, and that is going to update your cover photo for your Facebook profile. And that's it.
So cool, right? If you want to see more tutorials and learn how to do cool things on Facebook, check out either of these two videos that are popping up on the screen. And also head on over to www.stephanieparisi.com so you can find out more fun marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week with another new video.